Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Vancouver local and long-distance movers near me. If it's time to hire a cheap West Vancouver moving company, you need 3 movers to help you. Our team specializes in providing the best local and long-distance moving services you need. We know how to make sure you get to your new location without all the hassle. Long-distance moving services from us include options such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to help you get to where you need to go. Our team will make your relocation simple. It doesn't have to be difficult to move 100 miles or further from your current location. We can help make your long-distance move easier. When you need to complete a local move, a good Canada moving company makes it easy. With the right team of movers, you avoid all the heavy lifting. You can even hire movers to do the packing and unpacking for you. 3 Movers will provide you with the right local moving services for your needs. We offer plenty of options to make it easier to move down the road or across town. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Vancouver moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.